Hello students, we are going to learn today lecture number 4, continuation in Introduction to Estimation. In this video we are going to learn first bill of quantities. Secondly, we are going to concentrate on schedule of rates, and lastly lead statements. So first, bill of quantities. So bill of quantities, a detailed statement of work prices, dimensions and other details for the erection of a building by contract. You may get, it is nothing but, you may say bill of quantities is a document used in tendering in the construction industry, in which materials, parts, maybe labors and their costs are itemized. So it is documented, so it is said to be bill of quantities. Next, so this is the pattern or the sample of bill of quantities for any material. As I said, any material, this bill of quantities may be for any material, maybe any parts used in construction industry, labors, their costs, etc. It is listed below. So next we are going to understand schedule of rates. Schedule of rates are the rates of different items of works generally executed by the works department in different construction or maintenance works. Schedule of rates are analyzed adopting prevailing rates in the market. The rates may be of labor and materials at the time of preparation of schedule of rates. So for example, here you can understand one of the pattern or one of the schedule of rates from one of the departments. Earthwork, erosion control and drainage rates are been mentioned here. So you may see item number is 3.1, then description given with along with the specification for excavation in soil by manual means. So its specification for road work is been mentioned, and the unit is given in cubic meter, but the rates for that particular work by manual means, not by machinery. Excavation in the soil is made by manual means, so for that particular 1 meter cube of work, manual excavation, the rate is 190 rupees. So the second specification in the same by manual means, here it is in embankment, okay, using cut earth to embankment. So you can read out the specification properly, and here the rate for that particular work for 1 meter cube is 117 rupees. So this rate was for 2018 and 19 year. Similarly, you may get the schedule of rates for present year 2020-21. So here also you can see excavation in ordinary rock. Here it was excavation in soil. Here it is excavation in ordinary rock by manual means and its specification. So for that particular work of 1 meter cube, the rate is 255 rupees. Similarly, the another one in ordinary rock with little bit changes in the specifications, it is 183 rupees. So next we are going to understand lead statements. Lead statement, it is nothing but the distance between the source of availability of material and construction site. So it is expected in kilometers. So the lead is nothing but the distance between the source of availability. So say consider source of availability is the crushing units, maybe the manufacturing units of bricks, manufacturing unit of or dealers of steel, cement bags, sand and coarse aggregate. So the availability, source of availability is somewhere else from the construction site. So the distance between the availability source and the construction site is nothing but the lead statement. So this is how we have to understand what is lead. So thank you, students.